In our syllabus, the new lesson is the junk seller. Okay, have you ever met a kabadi wala, a woman who sells junk? This is a true story told by Kiran, who has the junk shop in Patna. That lady. I studied in Hindi medium school in my village. My father wanted girls to study like boys. I loved Hindi and science, but I hated maths. Today, maths is most useful for my work. I could never imagine this in school. In the student's age, she doesn't like maths, but she is telling, now in my business, this subject is working and I am loving it. So see how. What about you? Do you also find maths difficulty? Maybe yes. Individually your responses will be there. Some students like maths subject. Some students don't like. What is the most difficult thing in your maths book? The most difficult thing. So you will write, everyone you will write here your difficulty and you can send me. You know, on my personal account, what do you think in the easiest lesson? What do you think is the easiest lesson? Okay, now see. When I was young, my father died in an accident, so my mother worked as a servant in some houses. We had a difficult time. I had to leave school after class 8th. I wanted to study more about my mother got me married. गांव में तो ऐसा ही होता है. In the village, you can see in early age the girls got married. My husband's family lived in a mud house. His two brothers and his sisters did not go to school. He had a टी स्टॉल. मतलब ससुराल जब पहुंची तो वहां क्या था? केवल चाय की दुकान, जिसको हम कहते हैं चाय की लारी. ओके, नाउ फाइंड आउट हाउ मच फॉर अ कप ऑफ टी. Ask people and find out the cost of a cup of tea. It's your work. At a tea stall, at a hotel. Obviously, in the hotel, a cup of tea will be costly. But you will find. If a person who runs a tea stall earns rupees 30 in a day, how much will he earn in 10 days? For one day, it's given and we have to calculate for 10 days. So what we will do? We will multiply 30 into 10. That means 300. Now you got for 10 days. So, and in a month, in the regular month, we assume that in 1 month 30 days are there. So what we will do? A day, you know, now you have to calculate for a month. That means 30 into 300. So 30 into 30. So 30 into 30. 2 zeros with 3 threes are 9. How did you get the answer? Discuss. So by multiplication method. So I will solve this question on the green board. I thought of starting my own business. I thought I should open a bangle shop or a tailor shop. She thinks that in that time कि मैं क्या ओपन करूँ, या तो फिर बैंगल शॉप और टेलर शॉप. But my uncle said that we could earn a lot of by opening a junk shop. In 2001, my mother-in-law and I opened a junk shop. We took a loan of rupees 8,000 for the shop. Now find out. Junk shop, that means पस्ती की दुकान, कबाड़ी, जो सारी पुरानी चीजें लेते हैं. Have you ever heard of someone taking a loan for what? Yes, I heard. You also heard for home loan, education loan, gold loan. How much loan was taken? How much money was paid back? Hariya and Babu want to buy a handcart for rupees 300. Okay. I have taken a loan of rupees 300 from a bank for 6 months. I will pay rupees 51 every month to the bank. That means his main name is Hariya. Okay. And loan taken of rupees 300 for 6 months only. And every month that man is paying rupees 51. So in 6 months, in 1 month he is paying rupees 51. So for 6 months he will pay 51 into 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 fives are 30, 306. That extra money, 6 rupees is the interest for on this amount. But I have taken a loan of rupees 300 from Chunilal. After 6 months, I will pay back rupees 360. That man has taken loan from bank and he has taken loan from the other person. His name is Chunilal. And Chunilal is taking extra. Bank is taking 6 rupees on 300 and Chunilal is taking 60 rupees more. Who has to pay back more, Hariya or Babu? Obviously Babu. Okay. Let us start from page number 62. People laughed and teased us about our work. लोग उनको परेशान करते थे उनके काम के लिए. They called it गंदा काम or dirty business. But I did not think so. But the lady, she doesn't think like it is the dirty work. I knew this idea would work. That means confident. She was confident. Definitely in future, this whatever business I adopted, that will work in future. Now we have a pakka house with electricity, we have fridge, a TV and a gas stove. My husband's brother's sister and also my daughter go to school. That means every facility she is having now due to this business. I have 9 rickshaws of my own. I give the rickshaws on rent, each for rupees 20 a day. That means she takes from one rickshaw for whole day 20 rupees. On Sundays, I do not take any money for them. That means especially Sunday, she doesn't take any money. Free of cost she gives. How much does Kiran earn from 9 rickshaws in a day? For one day, rupees 20. So for 9 days, 9 into 20, that means rupees 180. Okay. How did you do it? Simply multiplication. Hey, I will do it like this. 9 times 2 is 18. So 9 times 20 is 180. Simple method is this. 9 zeros are 0 and 9 twos are 18. But I find this easier. For 10 rickshaws, she will get 20 into 10, 200. And for 9 rickshaws, she will get rupees 200 minus 1 rickshaw, 20, so 180. Think of some other ways to do it. Oh, continuous addition you can apply. 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 up to 9 times you can end. So different method you will tell me for this. Okay. Now see here, Kiran is telling I have 9 rickshaws and 1 rickshaw I take 20 rupees. So from 9 rickshaw she is earning 180 rupees. That means 180 rupees she is earning daily. Now in a week, how much does Kiran earn from 1 rickshaw? So in week, see here, Sunday she doesn't take any charge. So 6 days. So in 6 days, one rickshaw is giving 20 rupees. So for 6 days, 120 rupees. 6 zeros are 0, 6 twos are 12. Do it mentally and write the answers. 4 into 81 is 4 more than 480. Am I right? Definitely. 4 zeros are 0. 4 eights are 32. If you will multiply 80 by 4 and plus 4, so you will get answer. Now do it mentally and write the answer. So mentally you can do 6 zeros are 0, 6 twos are 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 42, 4 into 80, 4 into 81. So you will do and you will send the answers. Okay. After that, see here, I have my own small junk shop. You can see her shop. I buy junk from junk collectors. Those who pick the garbage or lari wala, sometimes they come and take newspapers, pasti from us, raddi, okay, waste papers and waste polythenes, shampoos, bottle, everything they take from us. I buy junk from junk collectors. They go from house to house and bring junk on hand carts, thela, जिसको हम कहते हैं लारी. I then sell it at the big shop. Okay. How much to pay for this junk? See here, Kiran has bought some junk from junk collectors. Look at the next page, the rate list of C. Today's rates help Kiran to find out the cost of the junk. You will do that activity on the next page. How much will Kiran pay for 31 kg newspaper? See here, the cost of 1 kg newspaper is rupees 5. So 30 kg is 150. So for 31 kg, she pays 5 rupees more for 30 kg. So answer will be 155. Okay. Now rate list is given. A kind of junk, price for 1 kg. Waste paper, rupees 7 per kg. Newspaper, rupees 15 per kg. Iron, rupees 22 per kg. Brass, rupees 270. Rupees plastic, rupees 10 per kg. Okay, how much will Kiran pay for 42 kg newspaper? So newspaper, the cost of 1 kg newspaper is 15. So cost of 42 kg newspaper, 15 into 42, you will calculate. Okay. Also find the cost of 22 kg of plastic. The rate of 1 kg of plastic is equal to rupees 10. Then 22 kg of plastic. Very simple, 200. Yes, 20 rupees. 23 kg of waste paper. So cost of 1 kg of waste paper, rupees 7. So cost of 23 kg of waste paper. 12 kg of iron. 1 kg of iron, the cost of 1 kg of iron is equal to rupees 22 per kg. So you can find. Can you do this without writing? Yes, easily. 20 into, for plastic 10, 200 and 2 more than. So 20. 23. So 20 into 7 plus more than. I will teach you on the green board. Don't worry. Guess the total money Kiran will pay to the junk collectors. Will it be more than 600 or less than 600? This all first you will solve roughly. Then I will tell. Then only you will copy in the CW notebook. And today till here we will do. Okay. Bye.